Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick languages and input, and now go to the first tab, which is languages. Then click on add a language and select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, there is a white list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me pick this one, Espanol, and now just swipe it up to the first place to make it a default one. So let me go back, and as you can see, now everything is in Espanol. If you would like to change it back to English or some other language, find this kind of icon, click on it, select the first icon here, it's idiomas, and now you can delete Espanol if you want to, so just tap on more icon, click on this one, and then select the language to delete. Confirm that you would like to delete it, and that's it. And now you can go back to English or some other language if you want to. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.